What is going on today, guys? Archer and I decided to do a cruise, and we kind of screwed up on our route planning. And by we, I mean I screwed up on route planning. And yeah, so we've decided we're gonna take an off-road trail. It's got another like 4-ish miles. Yeah. So far we haven't crashed yet. Who needs snow tires and all-wheel drive when you've got a handbrake and a drifty boy?
Yeah.
Some Eurobeat? You're good. So yeah, I stopped here for photos. I'm gonna break out the drone and get a little bit of drone stuff, and then we're gonna continue on. It might be just a little cold outside. So the plan is gonna be to continue on that way for, where's my map? There's my map. 4.4 miles. Hope we don't crash. Hope we don't break our cars. And then get onto a normal road and continue a normal cruise. This is pure comedy. Y'all need to like this video, subscribe, because this is the type of dumb stuff that we do when we aren't trying to do dumb stuff. Nice. Oh, this is so dumb and so sketchy. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to record because it does kind of require using two hands. Because, yeah, drifting requires two hands in a front-wheel drive car. I'm getting sprayed with crap. Ah, yep. Definitely gonna need to put y'all down and just focus on driving here for a little bit. So up here you got trucks and SUVs, and then me in my Mini Cooper and Archer in his Suzuki Cappuccino just bombing it, trying not to die while laughing our asses off. I can't think of anything more American. This is absolutely hilarious. Also, I bought a radar detector. Look at that view up there. We would have never had that view if we didn't make this dumb mistake. By the way, I was not planning on recording this video. This video just happened because I was like, I need to document how dumb we are being right now. We had just planned on going out on a casual cruise because we were bored and we needed something to do. And then we took a dirt road. You ever wake up and realize you're an idiot? Because that happens to me, dog! Hello, dog. Because that's what happens to me basically every day now. Because this is the stuff I do. Oh yeah. I was gonna say if I had a Subaru, this would be fun as hell, or anything like all-wheel drive and stupid. But I don't. I have a Mini Cooper, which means it's slightly terrifying mixed with cheating grin factors of fun. Because you never do this in a Mini. But if I had a Subaru, I'd be bombing it like that. I'm gonna do it anyway. YOLO, send it, yeet. And like, I'm not dead, which is somehow, yeah. So what's weird is up here at the top of the mountain where there's more, up here at the top of the mountain where there's more snow, and like it should be colder, it's dropped like 5 degrees as we've gone up. There's less snow on the road. God, my car does not like this. The wash my car is going to get after doing this, yeah. Yeah, that was dumb, but it was fun. Plus when it's like snowy ice, like, okay, this is what the rest of the road has been. But, so, the Ram's gonna let us through, or the Ram's gonna come through, and then we're gonna go. Everybody is giving us the most bewildered faces. They're like, what are these two kids doing? We're living life. We're laughing. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing, honestly. We made a mistake. Road! Pavement! movement. Yes. Oh, cars. Wonderful. Hello, Jeep. I've done more off-roading than you today. You too, Sequoia. Oh, don't stall. I started in second. Send it. Yeet. That was all wheel spin. That was awesome. Yeah, my tires might be a little filled with mud and ice and crap. Anyway, we're back to the normally scheduled program, so let's go drive. Okay, Colorado, no need to flex this hard. I get your pretty state, but damn. Okay, you can't see it. Out there is gorgeous. Oh, K-band. There it is. There we go, Colorado. That's what you didn't need to. There you go. Just flex it. Damn. That's beautiful. Turbo noises, ready? Turbo noises are the best. Ready, ready. Turbo noises, go. And some pretty dang loud cracks, too. It's boost season, boys. It's cold in my face. It's boost season, though. Oh, that thing needs some new brakes. But boost season means you get to do this. Yes, I like that noise. We all like that noise. I should have brought my GoPro, but I didn't plan on making a video, so I didn't bring my GoPro to mount to the window. But like, I should have, because the road's been empty. It's been so completely empty that we've been able to just bomb up Coal Creek non-stop. Up until we hit this one car just a little bit ahead of us. Ladies and gentlemen, shut up. Welcome to Netherland. Sorry, I had to hop out of my car because my drone started beeping at me from within the backpack. I think I hit a bump and turned it on. It's funny. So I checked CDOT's website, and it said that Boulder Canyon was completely clear, dry, with no construction. The warning signs say Boulder Canyon has construction and an alternate route is advised. This is why I hate CDOT. Okay, I'm giving this lady one more slow car pull off, this one right here, before I start flashing at her to tell her to get over, because she's holding us up. Because I hate people like this, with a burning passion. Because they think that they just get to set the pace for everybody, even though they're in a much less suited vehicle for mountain roads like this. Therefore, I flash to ask to go past. Very simple, very nice. But when you're stuck behind some cars, you just flash them and they let you over. It's very nice. Great success. And now my favorite part about Boulder Canyon being that it is a canyon and it is under construction is that everything echoes like crazy. Which means I get to be a little and do that. It's fun. Those are loud. Those are really loud. I just want to know what the other drivers think when they hear me hopping like that, making these whooshy turbo noises with underglow and a European plate. They're probably like, little tool. And I think I like that. Whoa, oh, here comes the tunnel. I forgot about the tunnel. Yes, the tunnel. Send it. Ah, that's the best noise I've ever heard my car make. So here's where the construction normally is. It looks like they might have actually finished it and the road signs are out of date. We're about to get back into Boulder proper where they're super strict about anything. So I've put my lights back to white because I don't want to get got. Getting got is not how I want to finish my day. Still going, okay, there we go. Yep. There we go, yep. Pops. tiniest car. Oh. Nice car there, bud. Nice car there, bud. So, yeah, I'll pick it up once I get home so I can do an assessment of how dirty my car is. Or if anything else interesting happens. I think I might have done more off-roading today than that Jeep has done in its entire life. That thing is pristine. Damage report. Let's see what happened. How dirty is the back of the car? Not very. I stuck this in. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. Gross. How bad is it on the sides, I wonder? Yep. I'm not surprised. It's just evidence that I had fun. So did Archer. That was seriously like one of the best spontaneous videos, dumb fun I had. So, if you guys liked the video, and I really hope you did, like I said earlier, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. And until next time, goodbye.